Okay, guys, so it is just hit this 756 market. It's just peaked up below, just above it. Now, I'm just going to place a quick trade in a put. So I sent a signal out 45 minutes ago that if it hits the 0756 market, then place a put. Now, this is down to this resistance band I've found here. You know, sort of just this line here. It doesn't seem to be going any further than that. So we're just going to have a look at this and see if we can make some money placing a trade in the opposite direction. As you can see, it's just swooping back down now, giving us a good opportunity. My computer's just seems to have frozen up. My internet's a bit laggy at the moment, but yeah, definitely looks like we could be in the money on this one. Like I say, if you get up to the 0756 mark and place in the opposite direction, you should be in the money. So that's one for us as well. So as you can see, signal was Australian US dollar 0.756 as a strike rate and a put trade on turbo. Okay, every time it hits that, place it in the opposite direction and it should win for you. Now obviously you might find every now and again it does sort of fluctuate just a little bit over, but overall that seems to be the sort of baseline where it seems to be sort of reaching that and it's not going any further, and that's what we call resistance. See, it's just come up to that line again, and you could very well just place that same trade again here and it come in. Now I'm going to be a little bit more disciplined. I'm going to take that profit I've just won and keep it. Okay, now the markets are very volatile, so it's just a good idea just to, when you do win, take it away with you and don't sort of just keep playing. It can snowball very quickly. So let's have a look at this. I mean, it does sort of seem to be flat. You know, we would expect some sort of movement. What I don't want is it to sort of shoot up like it did here. Let's just see if we can just catch it on its way down again. We'll see. Okay, now I'm tempted to place a put here just because it's ever so slightly higher than the rest of this line here. So as long as it sort of drops back to where it was here, we should still make that as a win. You know, we just caught it just at the top of that peak there. You know, there's a little peak here too where it didn't really go past. There you go. You see, it's just dropped straight back down again. So really playing with this resistance it's hard to do it really. You know, if you spot a line where it's not going past, then go for it, you know, and that's exactly what these signals are for. So like I say, if you want more signals like this, join us on signalspeed.com, get access to our free Facebook group, and we'll be sending signals like this all day, yeah, hopefully you can make a little bit of money off them. So let's just let that one expire, and boom. So yeah, that's 2 trades in the money there, just playing with that resistance. Now I'm not going to trade anymore with this. You know, it'd be tempting, in all fairness, to place a put. A call trade, excuse me. Since it's just dropped down, you know, you can see it climbing back up now, and the chances are it's probably going to end up back up here by the end of that minute. But it just increases your risk. You know, if you can play with a game plan, you know, if it gets to that point, then trade in the opposite direction, then you're going to find that your success is a little bit more consistent. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, as we're just going to finish off here, like I say, the signal that we sent originally, Australian US dollar at 0.756 and put trade on turbo. Okay, like I say, keep an eye out on that strike rate. We've won several trades with that, and like I say, I just wanted to demonstrate how we're using the support and resistance to make our trades. Always visit the link in the description box for you to check this out. It's signalspeed.com. Subscribe to this channel if you want to keep up with our trade history. We'll be uploading several videos like this every day throughout the week, and hopefully you'll learn something from it. So yeah, of course, the Signals group is over on Facebook. To get access to it, click the link down below.